Welcome to Wayne Kelly's Heating It Up in the Kitchen tonight. It says it's going to be New Year's coming around and everybody's got to eat that cabbage that we really don't care to eat, some of us, but I love cabbage, and this is another way that somebody might like cabbage. We're going to make cabbage rolls. So we'll just get out our ingredients here. We get 1 pound of lean ground beef. We get 1 pound of sausage. We'll get 1 tablespoon or teaspoon of garlic. And we'll get 1/4 of a cup of water. And we'll get 1 cup of rice. And then we'll have 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And then a half an onion, small onion chopped up. Okay, we're going to add all of our ingredients here. This one right here. And my water right here. I'll be right back. Let me wash my hands for that. 1 egg. 1 teaspoon of salt. Of garlic. Teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And we'll just mix it all together. Just like that right there. Yep. My hand. Okay, now that we got this all mixed up, and the sausage that you use, it could be Jimmy Dean. That's what I use, the hot Jimmy Dean. But you could use the mild or soft kind, or we could use the wet. On this, we'll put this in the refrigerator. Steam our cabbage. So we'll get a head of lettuce. We'll put some water about halfway full, and throw the head in, and we'll cover it up, and it'll soak down as it gets soft. So whenever it starts to get soft, we don't want it too soft where it's falling apart. We just want to And there we go.
It is.
So now we're going to add 1 can of tomato soup
It is.
and 1 can of tomato sauce. And we're going to cover it.
It is. It is.
And we're going to add 1 cup of water. Then we're going to cover it and let it cook down about 3 to 4 hours. Okay, here's our cabbage rolls.